Hey guys, welcome to Savinabuck. Today is exciting. We're getting a package here. It was delivered. Oh, the dog is guarding it. It is high priority. Let's check this out, see what it is. Let's get it inside. Hey guys, welcome to Savinabuck today. I'm super excited. I've got a box here I've been waiting for. Me and my wife ordered this 2 days ago. It's already here. We ordered this because our DSL internet is horrible. We live in rural America here in Ohio, and our DSL line keeps going bad, and we've been about a month and a half without any internet, and then the last year it's been very intermittent and not working well, so we're going to try this little box. This little box inside here is a T-Mobile home 5G internet, and we're going to open it up here and hook this thing up and see how it works. And hopefully my internet is going to be good enough to do some videos and things that I've been lacking on. Let's see what we got in here. Air bubbles. "5G gateway from T-Mobile. What's inside? T-Mobile gateway, quick start guide, power adapter, Ethernet cable." They've got it sealed up pretty good. This here we have internet quick guide to get you started. Box. Ooh. Let's see what this little dude looks like. That's what it looks like. It's got some ports right here. Ethernet, LAN, a power button, UPS, and power cord. So it's just a round unit here. We'll see. We'll get it all plugged in here. So what else we got in the box? Another box. Put that right there. We have power box. And that's it. The box is empty. So we're going to plug this in and see how it does. But first I want to show you. So they've got the old service temporarily working by running another line above the ground. This is my second line. It runs for about a half a mile down the road. It don't last very long because of the weather deteriorating it, or I believe like mowers early this season may have gotten into it a little bit. This thing right here from T-Mobile is a game changer, guys. If you live in a rural place like I do. I also live in a pole barn style house, which is kind of hard to get service at sometimes, as far as some receptions you can get. So this thing, it may not be for everybody, but in my area where I'm at, it's ideal for me. And my other internet is through Frontier Communications. It's very poor. They haven't upgraded the phone system since the early 80s, so it's very bad. It goes in and out all the time. I was about 30 days without it here last month. I think they took off $9 for being almost 30 days without it. So my bill was 80 bucks. This here is 50. And my service is twice as fast as what I got with Frontier. So for me, this is a game changer. For you, it could be, it could not be, I don't know, but give it a shot if you're struggling with an internet provider right now. And see where it goes. That's what I did. And now I'm going to disconnect my Frontier. I'm done with them. I'm going to stick with this. Some people say you may need a different router or something if you have some of your work computers with VPN access and things like that. So that may be something you have to look at too if you're working from home. But check out this video here. We're getting ready to show you the setup of this. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll try to put a video out here again in another month, giving you a quick review of this. But I've had it now about 7 days and I really like it so far. So check this out. Alright guys, this is why our internet don't work. Here's a new line they run. It goes about a mile down the road, and then right beside it, right here, this old yellow line is one they had here for years, and it goes about a mile down through there to the next box, and it keeps going bad instead of redoing the main wire to this post. That's why we keep having trouble. But hopefully this T-Mobile will be our fix. I'll run a speed test on my old one. This is what I've got before. This is on my DSL that I have now, and then I'm just going to run another test and we'll see how it does. So this is probably the best internet I've had in a long time, and it's still not very good. Okay, about 14.2, and my upload speed is just barely breaking 104, 105, yeah. So 105, and that's what I've got right now. So when it goes to uploading a video or something, it really struggles. You can stream a movie, but it'll buffer from time to time. So we're going to hook this new unit up and see how it does for us. Alright guys, so I'm in my office now just because they say they prefer to put them by a window. I'm going to try this window here. And it says, first of all, plug in the power adapter, connect to your gateway, turn the gateway on by pushing on or off. It also says your SIM card's pre-installed. We've also included the Ethernet cable, and that's an optional setup that can be done for connecting devices if you need to. And then we'll download the T-Mobile app to our smartphone and set it all up. So we'll see how this all plays out. We'll plug it in and see if it gets any service here with this window. I do live in a pole barn type of house, so it's got a lot of metal. We're hoping this will still work in this situation. We're just hoping we're better than we were with DSL. Alright guys, I don't have the option for fiber optics or some satellites due to my area. This is the next best thing I could think of, is this here T-Mobile gateway. And for 50 bucks a month, I'm going to give it a shot. If I can do away with my cable and my DSL I have through Frontier, I am getting rid of that stuff. So mostly just stream movies anyway, but with the setup I hadn't been able to do that. We'll see how this turns out, man. I'm excited. I'm ready for it. Let's see how this works. Just push the little button on the back here and turn it on and put power to it. We'll see what it does here. English. Okay, all I'm doing is installing the app, and it looks like it's done there, so I'll set this up real quick. Set up device. Can't hardly see it. 5G gateway. This says on a scale of 1 to 7, how confident are you able to complete the do-yourself project? Instructions and materials provided. Well, I'm going to put about a 5. Next. Scan the QR code. Alright, I don't have to set the camera down. Now we scan our barcode on the bottom of the gateway. We're waiting for the 2 minutes to be up to link to the phone here, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so now it's just configuring my network. I had to put in a couple new passwords and change my passwords. And then, we couldn't get you connected automatically. Let's guide you through. So let's see what we need to do. Okay, I had to go into my settings and kind of disconnect. We'll get it all figured out. And then right now I've got this window. I may be able to turn it. Get a few more, we'll see here. You can, okay guys, I'm going to run the exact same test I just run. Okay, that's what I just got there. So 41 and 16.5. That's a heck of a lot better. And we may change areas here and see what we can do as far as service too. See how it does. All right, guys. Hey, I have already proved to myself that it's about 3 times faster than what I had. My download's 49 and my upload is 18.5, and my other one, let's see, was the upload was 1.08 and the download was 14.3. So that's how big of a difference there was. So I'm going to give this thing a try. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, do that. It goes a long way. I love making some of these videos. We're going to try this T-Mobile unit out. We're going to see how it does. We're going to move it to maybe another window or so. And like I said, I have a metal house on the outside, so sometimes cell service can be tricky to get, but this thing seems to be doing good so far. It's in the window, so it's kind of beaming outside. I've got a pretty good sized windows. But I am going to move around, see how it does. I will try to make a review here in a few weeks on this thing and see how it's working compared to the old system that I have that was always failing me, never working. When it rains, it'd go out. DSL, they never wanted to repair the lines. They keep putting me on the back burner, It takes a toll on me making some of these videos because I can't get them uploaded unless I go somewhere else. And that makes it tough because then it takes a while to upload on some certain Wi-Fi. So I'm going to try this, see how it works out. If it works out, it's only $50 a month. So right now I'm paying almost $80 for DSL, and they're only giving me like 25 megabytes upload through Frontier. and it's not really worth it. So if this thing works like they say it works, we'll have to see. But I'll get back with you in a few weeks. A little update on how it's doing, how fast it is, and we'll see if it's actually worth its money. But as of right now, $50 compared to $80. I've got 3 times the service at the moment. So we'll see how it works in the rain, the weather, and things like that. And also moving it to different locations. So if you ain't liked and subscribed to the channel, do that. It goes a long way. And I'll see you next time for some better videos. Thank you. I live in rural, like hills and big hills and things in the country. I'm probably 10 minutes from any town, probably 8 to 10 minutes from any gas station. So it's a long way to a cell phone tower. And this thing still has 3 bars where we're at in these rolling hills here, southern Ohio. So, hey, if it works, we're going to love this thing. If it don't, we'll let you know. But like and subscribe to the channel. It goes a long way. We'll see you next time. And I hope you liked the video. Looks like 3 bars is all I'm getting here, but with my speed test, it's still 3 times faster than my old DSL internet. So I'm going to take this and see how long it works and make sure it don't fade in and out. And it's still worth the money for me. Where I'm at, I'm still going to be saving money compared to my old setup, and I don't have to worry about working on it, calling in, complaining. Hopefully this works out for me. Stay tuned. I'll make another video. Check it out. Check it out.